Hey guys, welcome back to Autocrit Primer where we love it somewhat.
Toys!
And today we actually went ahead and pulled the trigger and got us another one of the modeling. Now this one's in a different box as you can see, but it's from the same company. And we decided to go with Soundwave 40th anniversary G1. Nice little Halo stuff, Transformers. So you got nice little stuff. It's an authentic Transformer on the back, all that good stuff, and then on the side that nice artwork. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open this bad boy up. So go ahead and pull the tray out, and this was also different. As you saw on the other one that had a 2-pack, you didn't get a clamshell like this. I'm not whole sure, but you can pause it and use your phone for that. You do get a nice little instructions, but these are pretty easy to put together. So there we go. So we're going to go ahead and take the top off so you can see all the pieces, and I think it looks really good. Looks really good. So I'm just going to start slowly to put it together. I'm going to take the body here, and then I'm going to take the head so that you get a good look at that head sculpt and paint. That looks real good. And we're going to pop, I say we're going to pop his head on. So there we go. Woo. Nice tight fit. There we go. That's the back. So here is the waist. Let's plug this together. Ooh, that's nice and tight. Make sure there you go. Whew. Nice and tight. So there's that. So we're going to take this piece here for his shoulder. Go ahead and pop that on, like so. Come over here, grab this shoulder, bring it here, pop that on. Then we'll take his arm right here, plug that in right there, like so. Come over here. The interesting thing is you do get several hands with this. Very nicely done. So we're going to take the leg, pop that on right there. This leg, pop it on right there. And as you can see, this is a lot different, especially how tight and everything just pops right in. That the other ones, the 2-pack, didn't really have this much of a pop that we're getting. This definitely lets you know you're getting all the pieces where they need to go. Grab the other foot, and then we will take this foot, pop it down and in. There we go. Alright, now you got several different hands. It looks like he's got 2 pointing finger hands. Then he's got 2 of the fist hands, and then the palm open. I think I'm going to go with the hands pointing out, like so. And Put that hand right there. You do get his shoulder cannon. That'll plug in right here. I say that. And it has a hinge, so it does move up and down. Let me just take this off the camera real quick. Sorry about this, guys. Very, very tight. Very tight. It's supposed to just plug in right there. Have a shoulder. It looks like a little peg back here. You can also do it there. This is the back of him. His hands, and he does come with his blaster. But I thought he looked cool. Kind of going with the, yo, what's up? And then you have his blaster, which is real easy. You just take the hand off, pull out one of these, and you'll just pop this into his hand like so, and then the blaster will go in just like Optimus Prime's. Nice, tight, and there you go. There you go. These guys are pretty cool. Very, very nice. Highly recommend them. Thigh rotation, the whole 9 yards. So there you go. There is Soundwave. I hope they come out with some more of these guys. I really, really like them. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these guys, if they're for you or not. As always, my grandpa said, hold on to something from you, you'll never grow old. Look to the stars, grab one for yourself. Bye, guys.